how to delete your Instagram login activity. So first of all, you will have to open your Instagram, and from here you want to go to your profile section at the bottom right. Now once you are on your profile section, what you have to do is tap on the three lines at the top right and scroll down. You don't actually have to scroll down, you just have to go to your account center, and it will open up the Meta's account center where you can see all of your information. And from here you want to tap on password and security because it will have all of your saved login infos. And here you can see under login and recovery, this option right here, save login. Just tap on it and choose which account you want to check for your saved login. If you want to see your Facebook saved login info, just tap on Facebook, or if you want to check Instagram, you can tap here. And as you can see here, the saved login info is turned on. So what this will do is you don't have to log in or enter your password multiple times. If you log out of your account, the device will save your login info. Now to check where you're logged in, just under security check, tap on where you're logged in, and it will show you all of the devices that you're logged into. So just tap on Instagram and it will show up all of the devices right here. And that's how you can check your login activity on Instagram. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, and I'll see you guys on the next video.